Hi, this is Jindo Kyriakos. I'm from PTG India. So the idea I'm going to present is automated meeting feedbacker. So this solution is used to get the automatic feedback for meetings or events. So the pain point I'm going to solve is like once you're going to set up some meeting or some event, you would like to get the feedback from the attendees, but it's a difficult process to get the feedback from the attendee. Either you need to set up the some survey monkey or some surveys you need to set up, you need to send the mail to everybody and you need to follow up and everything. So I'm trying to solve the two parts. One is setting up all these surveys and everything. Next is enabling the user to give the feedback at right time. So for this thing to enable the user to give the right feedback at right time, so I have service AMF service, automated meeting feedback service. The service will listen to a mailbox. It will be meeting underscore feedback into.com. It will interrupt all the emails coming to this mailbox. So how it works is when you're going to create some meeting invite, just invite this AMF email ID also. That's all you need to do. The rest will be taken care of by the system. So when the AMF will get some meeting invite, it will go through the meeting invite. It will try to find out who all attending the meeting and when it is going to happen. So based on that, it will schedule a feedback email, and this email will be triggered just 10 minutes before the meeting ends. So all the attendees will receive an email notification from the AMF system to provide the feedback. So you will be also in the room, so you won't be left the room already. So you can ask them to immediately give the feedback to this email, to respond to this email. So once the attendees respond to this email, this feedback will come to the AMF service. So the service will consolidate all the feedback and it will try to create a report and send to the organizer. So that's how you get the automated feedback. And there can be a lot of improvements can be done to this thing. Maybe you can use it for a care application. So there is a care engineering application. There are a lot of calls going to happen to the end customer. You can automatically trigger a feedback email to the end users, or it can be leveraged for the all hands meeting or that kind of meetings. It can be used for multiple things. Right now it's a simple application. So later we can add some dashboards and all. So once you invite this AMS system to your meeting, then we can send an automated dashboard link to the organizer, so you can go and customize the survey data, what all questions should be asked to the end user and all. That can be done later. And the system is up and running. It is at meeting underscore feedback into.com. When you schedule the next meeting, you can try the service. Right. Thank you for watching my video.